Shout out to AP Beats, man. You be going crazy, be hooking up everybody with that kill shit, man. You know what it is, those ATM boy shit. YK. Yeah, riders block like a bitch, about to just throw anything in here that fits. I want my punchline to have all the hits. I'm with all the squad, we with all the shits. Yeah, we off the shit. Popping beans, smoking cat piss. White boy hit me up, say when we gon' do a hit. I like chill, focus on the kids, but still be on that ball shit. Gotta stack our chips. Fuck it, now they in your crib, you getting pistol whipped. That's the life that these motherfucking demons live. Step back, I watch them splash your shit. No, I'm not like no other nigga, I'm not average. Make it buzz, make it static, bitch. Got your whole ecstatic, bitch. Dick stretched like elastic. Put her up on game, now she on some nasty shit. Yeah, she hit me up, always saying come and smash my shit. But now I ain't got time for it, cause now I'm doing my own thing. Gotta focus on this rapping shit. I can't tell you what the fuck be happening. Overnight fame, that shit just not happening. Gotta grind hard, put your practice in. And yeah, right now they might be laughing, next year you'll be laughing them. I can't tell you what the fuck be happening. Overnight fame, that shit just not happening. Gotta grind hard, put your practice in. Yeah, right now they laughing them, but next year you'll be laughing them. Yeah, see who's laughing in when I pull up in the bands. They don't know it was tough, you lost a few friends. Some died, some switched up, some changed on me. Acting like my homies, don't come around me, acting phony. Get your ass sliced up like bologna. Snakes know they plotted on me, so now my circle small, keep a couple homies. Most of them family though, you know how it go. ATM, FOL, and OTF, man. Yeah, shout out to the fans. Yeah, like, share, and comment.